from Maharashtra politics, Uddhav camp's leader has said that there could be changes in the Maharashtra government very soon. Sanjay Raut, who's been a vocal critic of the BJP, has now said expect a big change in Maharashtra government in the next 6 months. He's basically alleging that there could be a new government in the hands of Uddhav Thackeray, that Uddhav Thackeray could actually get back most of the Shiv Sena MLAs. Remember, Shiv Sena had been divided into factions, now one led by Eknath Shinde, which is in the government. So this is what Uddhav Thackeray has said. Let's listen into that.
मला खात्री आहे पुढल्या 4 महिन्यामध्ये महाराष्ट्रामध्ये सत्ता येईल आणि या सत्तेची सूत्र आपलं नेतृत्व करणाऱ्या माननीय उद्धव साहेबांकडे जाईल.
Vidya is joining me right now from Mumbai. Vidya, it's very interesting. Of course, it looks more like a political posturing and a claim. But why would you think possibly Sanjay Raut would even make this comment? This, remember, comes at a time when the new government, so to say, according to the Uddhav camp faction, believes that Uddhav Thackeray is likely to reclaim. Because remember, even after Maharashtra did not perform the best for Lok Sabha for the NDA alliance, there was speculation if some of the Ajit Pawar MLAs could actually jump ship. Could they go back to Sharad Pawar faction, even though that did not happen? But it appears now that Uddhav Thackeray camp has said that it is possible that in the next 3 months itself, you will start to see the changes, and by 6 months, there will be a change of the government in Maharashtra. So as Vidya continues to be with us, Vidya, tell me, is this just a claim, political posturing, or is there some confidence and substance to what Sanjay Raut is saying?
The confidence really comes from the parliamentary election that the state has really undergone, with the BJP not really faring as well as it had planned to, and the NDA doing much better than it was estimated. And that's one of the reasons why in the upcoming elections there will be a better show. In the next coming months, the state is undergoing Vidhan Sabha elections. The state elections will actually make sure that, that the NDA comes to power is the confidence that Sanjay Raut has been exhibiting since a long time. And this statement is a part of that series where he is saying that the NDA will certainly do much better.
All right. So, Vidya, as you're tracking the latest on this, do you think that there is this claim of communication that's happening, some backdoor talks? Because I remember that even after the parliamentary elections, there was this sudden rumor if Ajit Pawar MLAs are going to jump ship to the previous Sharad Pawar faction.
Certainly, since the entire election really came before the results of the Lok Sabha elections, there were conversations that there will be an incoming of the NCP leaders, though Ajit Pawar was very sure that he'll be able to get the flock in its place, and there will be no outgoing from his, party. But at this juncture, the Sharad Pawar faction is still very sure that they will be able to do something about it, and they'll be able to gain a little more of their party men back after the parliamentary election, before the Vidhan Sabha election really comes to the fore in the next couple of months.
All right, thank you very much for now. Vidya will be tracking the latest. And is there something brewing in Maharashtra? Is this just a claim? Or perhaps Sanjay Raut knows that there could be MLAs wanting to jump ship?